If we have edited the video through Premiere Pro and want to export the project, we can use Adobe Media Encoder. If you have installed it, select File on the menu in Premiere Pro. Then select Export. From this export feature, we can do the settings first. Or we can also do it through the Media Encoder. In this tutorial, I will give a title to the video and choose a folder where to save it. To export via Media Encoder, select Q. If it is installed correctly, the Media Encoder will open automatically and connect via Dynamic Link. This method will work if we install Premiere Pro and Media Encoder in the same version. On this laptop, I installed Premiere Pro CC 2018. Then the Media Encoder must also be installed CC 2018. After the Media Encoder is open, we can do the export settings. For more leverage, use GPU acceleration for rendering. To start exporting the project, select the Start Queue icon in the upper right corner. And now, Media Encoder is doing the exporting process. For comparison, I also exported the project via Premiere Pro with the same project. Media Encoder exports 2 times faster than Premiere Pro. That's how to export a Premiere Pro project via Adobe Media Encoder. Thank you for watching.